Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
What's wrong with that? Can someone just say something? What's wrong?
My child is gone.
I'm so sorry. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
How are you doing?
What do you expect? It's been 3 years.
I know, and it's been so hard to get you out of here. But it shouldn't be hard to put a smile on your face. Please give me that smile. I've missed it. That's better.
I miss you.
I miss you too, baby. I've made arrangements with the warders so that you and I can have our private time from next week. How does that sound?
I look forward to it.
I know. You can't wait, right?
I can't wait.
Come here. Are they feeding you at all?
Hey babe, good morning. Breakfast is served just the way you like it.
I'm late for work.
You can just quickly grab something.
You wait here.
Hold it there. What are you doing? What are you doing here? Stopping you from doing something you'll regret. I saw everything that happened in the house. And as soon as my brother drove out and drove after him, I just knew you were coming. That girl needs to get it from me. That girl, what? She should not be your concern. Henry should. Come on, babe, let's go back home, okay? No, I need to touch this girl just a little. Just a little! I said no! What? No! Put yourself together for once. Please, let's go back home. Please. Look at the person that said he wasn't hungry. Please. He came to collect food from another girl. Doesn't matter. Just forget it. Let's go home. Okay? Let's go. See, but I'm really just calm down.
You should know me. I don't take nonsense. I beat people up for a living. Also a snatcher.
Madam, you need to understand something here. Harry does not love you. So your case is very different. He loves Sophie. I don't even know what's wrong with you. So whatever anger you put up now will definitely go against you.
Me, I don't have patience for things like this. I don't, in any way.
You and I know you do not have patience for anything that stands against you. And that you need to start working on. Look, all you need to do right now is, start working on gaining your husband's love. And start thinking before you act.
You should trust your man now. I wowed them in court today. In fact, the defense counsel was left speechless. I love you too, darling. We'll see you later. Hugs and kisses.
When my friend starts smiling like this, I know it can only be Sophie.
She is my sweetest dream come true.
And marry her already.
Polygamy, not in my dictionary.
Well, I'm not asking you to get another wife. You're a lawyer, for God's sakes. It will be very easy for you to prepare the documents, divorce documents, I mean.
And my marriage is barely 6 months and you want me to divorce my wife.
Well, I'm not asking you to divorce your wife. I'm asking you to be happy.
Tricky. Anyway, that idiot that came to the office the other time, what do you want?
Here. This will help you calm down.
Really? Really? As in your brother's cheating on me and you're serving me juice?
You see, that's my problem with you. You keep breaking things. You keep allowing your anger take it all of you. Just look at yourself. Look at what you just done.
Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh God, you just keep...
It's okay. It's fine. Tell me, Ellen, do you really love my brother? Talk to me. Does it matter? Is love supposed to be one-sided? Just answer the question. Yes. Yes, I love him. Yes. That's all I want to know. You know what? Go and have a bath. That will help you calm down. And when you're done, we'll talk. I'll wait for you downstairs. It's okay. It's fine. I just feel so... I'll wait for you downstairs, okay?
Ah, okay. Instead of eating that, why don't you have some of that?
I know I'm trying to watch my weight, but thank you very much. And this, I'll pass.
For watermelon, for real?
Sis.
And you're trying to watch your weight.
Good evening, brother.
Hey, baby. Welcome back. How was work today? Your food is ready. Let me bring it out for you.
I'm hungry. Alright.
With the rate at which you're going, we'll have no plates left in this house.
You should be more worried about your brother and not the plates. One of these days, I might do something crazy to him.
Again, I ask you, would I bring him back to you?
And do I look like I care?
Do I? Actually, you do care. Else you won't be this mad. You'd better clean this up because I'm not helping you to do that. Hey, brother.
What are you watching?
Nothing.
You still doing watching a movie this time?
Couldn't sleep.
Why?
Should I be sleeping when your roof is on fire?
Hey, that's got nothing to do with you, okay?
It has everything to do with me, brother. She's my sister-in-law. And I care about her.
I don't love her and I never will. The only reason why I married her is because she was carrying my child and you and Mama forced me to marry her. Sophie that I love.
I know that. But I can't help but ask. Why did you sleep with her if you knew you loved Sophie that much?
I'm a man. We make mistakes sometimes.
Then be a man and take responsibilities for your mistakes. This is your family. Your wife. And stop caring about some lady who does not want to accept that you have moved on.
Eileen is mad. And I am not prepared to spend the rest of my life with a mad woman.
Whatever.
I'm going to bed. Turn on the TV when you're ready.
Good night, brother.
Night.
Here's the file. You wanna check to be sure it's complete?
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, good. What about Marvis?
Oh, she stepped out to see a friend.
I see. But I'm sure your husband is too busy for you.
So what are you implying?
Eileen, do I need to remind you how I feel about you?
No. You'll be sounding like a broken record. Look, I'm a married woman. Married to your best friend. I love my husband. And I'll never be caught cheating on him. Okay?
Oh, you do know he's with Sophie, right?
Yes, I do know. For the time being. And soon, he'll be back to me.
You know he's not leaving Sophie for you. So the earlier you stick with me, the better for you.
Sophie's no way better than me. He's coming back to me very soon.
Yeah, sure. I agree. She's not better than you, but she understands the whole side chick game more than you do. Right now, she has his love that you do not have. So hey, we have the chance now.
I guess we're done here. Get out.
You know I like it when you get like this. Like when you're putting on the whole tough facade.
You might lose one eye. If you don't get out now. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Cheat.
What is my favorite sister-in-law up to?
The trash of your brother isn't picking my calls.
Again with the name calling. What's the matter with you? What do you want to find out from him?
What he would like to eat this evening?
But if he's not taking your call, just let him be. Stop hurting yourself.
He's my husband. He has to take my calls.
And it's his phone. He can decide not to.
Let me ask you this question. Are you for me or against me? Because the way you talk these days, I don't understand.
You and I know that I am for you. And that's because, aside all this, your craziness and your anger, you are a sweet person. But don't make me look stupid for thinking so.
Your brother's annoying me. He's pushing me.
You can decide not to be pushed. You know what? I think we should just go out. Maybe we should just go eat something outside, go have some fun. You know, just do something for a change.
That's not a bad idea, Rico.
No, but upstairs, change it to something else. Okay? Let's just go have some food. For a change at least. Leave the house.
I think so, really.
Why did you do it? Why would I do that?
Why didn't you do it?
I'm not crazy.
You're
I
not
don't want
serious.
to.
Hey, brother. Hey.
You. Where's my dinner?
Your dinner? Didn't Sophie cook for you?
You stop testing my patience and answer the question.
No dinner.
What?
Your sister and I ate out, so nope, I didn't cook.
What nonsense is that? Why would you leave this house without making my dinner? What kind of senseless woman are you?
Excuse you? What are you calling senseless? Like I called you over 80 times. Did you take my call?
I am not obligated to answer your call.
I'm not obligated to cook for anyone of you. Just stop it!
Okay, brother. I am so sorry. It's all my fault. I took her out.
Excuse you. It was not your fault. I didn't cook for him. Will you beat me?
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Not again.
What is it? Every day I cook for him, steadily. And you come back giving me flimsy excuses as to why you can't eat my food. Now you want me to be sorry, Abby? Sorry for what? Oh God, there's kitchen in this house. And that kitchen is not gender sensitive. You have hands and you have legs. Go and cook for yourself. As for me, au revoir.
Oh, God.
You see that? And you want me to spend the rest of my life with that?
Brother, you both are at fault. And you know that. You and I know that for the past 3 months you've not had even a cup of tea in this house. How was she supposed to know you would want to eat today?
You're my sister. You're supposed to be on my side.
I am your sister, and that's the only reason why I'm standing in the side of truth. Get that clear. What do you want? What the fuck do you want? Michael, get out! What do you think you're doing? Get out of my house! Get out, you mad woman! Bitch! Get the fuck out! Get out! Get out!
Yeah.
Your wife happened.
How dare you? You went to service place! Huh? You went to service place!
What happened? What happened? Why did you hit me? What happened to me? You need to take a warm bath. Are you okay?
If he touches me next time, one of these days, you both are gonna kill each other. Is this the love you speak of?
Wait, it was either me or him now. He was going to kill me.
I warned you about attacking Sophie, didn't I?
Did I attack her? No, did I touch her? I only touched her house.
That was wrong!
How is that wrong? Look, I'm even tired. I'm tired of people telling me you're wrong, you're not right. You're always at fault. Your brother is not treating me right. Have you for one day told him that?
Really?
I will not kill myself in this marriage now. Look, if he attacks me again, I'm going to attack him. I will defend myself. What's all this?
Did you just say that? Ellen!
And he's mine.
What did you just say?
2 weeks and Henry is mine. I'm the real woman and he knows it.
Oh, you're the real woman. But he comes back home every night, every day to his wife. Because I'm legally his wife, you're just his side chick.
You are still his wife because I let you. Like I said, 2 weeks and you and I will swap places. I will be the wife and you will be nowhere close to us.
So is this like a challenge or something?
You're damn right.
Bring it on. 2 weeks. 2 weeks? Bring it on.
That's a very serious challenge. Are you sure you're gonna succeed?
Honestly, I do not know. But she sounded very serious. And for me, I'm not ready to let her win. Not on my watch.
So, if you actually made that threat, I think you should do everything possible to make it happen. And I kind of like the idea, you know, her temper. Her temper will always work against her. And when that happens, victory will be yours. I
Counting on that.
know.
When this happens and I finally marry him, everything will be fine.
Yeah, that's just as we planned, is that not so? Hmm. It's just about the game. Once you're dedicated to the game and play it well, then you have everything you want. And so will I. Check on that.
God, I come before you today because I need a favor. God, you said, without faith, it's impossible to please you. You said in your word, the faith is the substance of a thing hoped for, the evidence of a thing not seen. For I have the faith that you can do this for me. God, Sophie has challenged me of taking my husband. God, I know if you are on my side, I'll win this challenge. I'm your daughter. I have no other God but you. I have no other person to run to but you. God, I really want to save my marriage. Help me. Help me save this marriage, Papa. Help me save my marriage, God, please. Help me win my husband back to me. And I thank you in advance for answering my prayers. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Hey. What is this?
Divorce papers?
Whose?
Yours.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad, Henry. I took the liberty of preparing this for you since you're busy pursuing other people's cases, forgetting that you have yours. I mean, a woman like Eileen that can fight her husband can do anything. She can even kill you. You need to divorce her now.
It is my marriage, so that makes it my business. Take this away. I'm busy. If and when I decide to get a divorce, I'll let you know. For now, I need my space.
I hope you know what you're doing.
Then you take a deep breath. In and out. Then go like this. Stretch your hands. In. And come on. The other side. Come on, girl. Let's go. I honestly do not understand the connection between yoga and saving my marriage, because I'm just doing this shit. You and I know that the problem you have in this marriage is your anger. Once we're able to sort that out, every other thing will fall in place. So let's go. This way. You come back. You're not doing the right thing.
I'm doing it. You said I go this way and I did it.
Well, you have to stretch your hands at least.
You might have a problem.
What are you talking about?
I just noticed that Henry still loves his wife. He's not leaving her anytime soon.
That's not possible. He loves me.
Oh yes, he loves you. But he doesn't love you as much as he loves his wife. And that's a problem. What took you so long? You okay?
I'm fine. Welcome.
You don't look fine. What's bothering you?
It's nothing serious. I just got off the phone with my mom.
Okay. How is she?
She's worried.
Why?
My ex just got back into the country and he's leaving in 2 weeks. Without speaking to me, he just went to my parents to tell him he wants to marry me and take me with him.
Marry you? Is he mad? I hope he knows that's not possible.
I told him. And I already told my mom I have someone else now, but she asked who and I couldn't mention you.
Why?
Because you're married. And you're still with your wife. Now I have just 2 weeks and I don't know what to do. I mean, what do you expect of me? What do you expect me to tell her? What do I do?
Hold on. Hey, babe. How was work today?
All right.
Okay, let me get you your food.
I am not hungry.
Okay. Be calm. Control yourself. Just be calm. Okay? Whew.
What are you doing?
Hey, just relax, relax. Just a massage. You look worried, and this will help you relax, okay? You know, this is the closest we've been since we got married. And today I can't help but remember the first time we met.
I think you put the wrong one.
How?
I think you put. Listen.
I did what you asked me to do. I followed your instructions.
not starting either.
What happened?
Mine won't start too.
Wow, did I do anything wrong? I mean, you instructed like put this.
Yeah, you know, just
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
it's okay. Listen, you don't have to leave the cars here.
I'm sorry, I can't leave my car here.
Can't get a towing truck tonight. Listen, we'll look for a hotel around here. In the morning, we'll get a towing truck and we'll come and sort it out. Our lives are more important than the cars.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright, look, I'm sorry about.
Don't worry about it. Just...
That was funny.
I know. I'm fun like that.
Sorry about your car.
Right, it's okay. It's just unfortunate that it's the only room in this hotel.
It's a busy hotel, you know.
To manage.
Yeah. Good morning.
Morning. Why didn't you tell me
Tell you what?
that you're a virgin?
Oh, that. I'm no longer one.
You kept it this long. Why would you lose it to a total stranger?
Maybe because I've always wanted to lose it in a crazy way. And I guess this is it.
And I'm sorry.
Sorry about what? It wasn't rape. It was a mutual consent.
I might not have told you this, but that was the best night of my life. And I'll cherish that moment forever. What do you think? Then he sleeps off. Wakey, wakey, good morning. Hey, baby. Breakfast is served. In bed. Just the way you like it.
What's the time?
7:30?
Oh, gosh. I have a meeting with a client at 8 a.m.
Okay, so you have to eat first. What about your food?
I will eat in the office.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. No. Don't give up just yet. You're doing great, girl. It's not easy now. I know. No one said it was going to be easy. Just give him some time. He will come around, okay? See you. You're doing so well. Come on, girl. Smile for me. Smile now. It's okay.
I mean, knowing Sophie and the kind of person she is, she's not someone that jokes about things like that. Are you just going to let her walk away?
You know, I can't stand the sight of her being with another guy.
Then marry her. Even if it's a court marriage, I mean, you're a lawyer. You can make that happen.
And what happens, darling?
So?
Yes.
Hi, Rose.
Felix, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You look as radiant as ever.
Oh, with Harry as my husband? Who wouldn't be? Babe, I brought you lunch. I mean, since you couldn't eat breakfast this morning, so I thought to bring you this.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's dig into this at once.
Of course.
That Felix should just even thank his God. He should just thank his God for this control therapy. Otherwise, I would have beaten him blue black. He's mad. He's talking to Henry to do what now? As for what? Say, God, when I think about this thing, I'm really mad. I'm upset.
Ellen.
He's stupid. He's crazy.
This is not a time to...
He's mad.
Just calm down. Something is wrong somewhere. Like you said, he's making advances at you. And at the same time, asking Henry to divorce you.
Just imagine that.
Huh. That guy's up to something. He wants to break your home. And he wants to use either you or Henry to do it.
And I'll never allow that. I will never give him a chance to do that. How? This is my home, this is my family, and I'll do anything to keep it intact. He must be very stupid. He's insane.
Helen, you really need to calm down. This is a very serious issue.
I know. Just imagine. What?
What is going on here?
Ask him. Leave my way.
I just came to get some water.
I may not have caught you red-handed, but whenever this happens again, I will break every bones in your body. If you as much as come this close to my brother's wife again, you will have me to contend with.
Are you threatening me?
Oh no! I am making you a promise. And you see this kitchen? Henceforth, it is out of bound to you. If you need anything in this house, you ask. Don't take. Because you do not have that right. Get out.
Sophie, this is the marriage you're talking about, not shopping. It involves thinking and time.
Exactly. You and I have been involved for over 1 year now and you're still thinking. Eileen walked into your life only 8 months ago and she's already your wife. What the hell are you trying to
Well,
say?
you know the circumstances behind me marrying her.
I don't care, Henry. I do not care. I am tired of hearing this over and over. Listen, you have just 1 week. If you don't marry me in 1 week, I'm getting married anyways.
She spoke to me rudely. And you know what? I am going to have Eileen at all costs and let me see what she can do about it.
What's the plan?
Henry needs a strong reason to leave his wife. And we're going to give him one.
Go on, go on. Well, did you ask me? No, did you ask?
Hi, baby. Is it bad that I came to look around my soon-to-be home? I mean, when we finally get married in less than 1 week, this will be my home automatically.
You are getting married in less than a week? No, babe, it's fine. I only feel bad you didn't tell your sister and I. Okay, now we know. We'll just make plans accordingly, right, babe?
Darling, you mean you did not invite your ex-wife? That's bad.
That's really bad. But it's okay. What would you like to drink?
She knows her place. Red wine. Something to celebrate the moment.
All right, I'll be back soon.
I am good. What are you doing here?
Babe, come on. Guess what? I'm still looking for styles for you for your suit, okay? And I mean, it has to be really nice. You don't have to look so
Okay. Shall we celebrate? We have a wedding coming up, guys. Come on. For you?
What, baby? We're celebrating.
Yes, thank you.
We're celebrating.
And for you?
We're celebrating, right?
Okay, we make a toast! Right?
Yes.
Ooh.
Hey. I'm sorry about that. I mean, she's kind of lost it.
It's fine.
And there is no wedding as well.
Well, why are you explaining? Do you owe me that?
Just saying, I mean, I don't understand your unusual reaction. I mean, what happened?
Why fight over something that's already mine?
Which is?
You. You're mine. And there's no point fighting over you.
You know, for a second, I thought there was a different person wearing Eileen's costume. She was different. She was calm. She took everything with a pinch of salt. I'm confused.
I noticed it too. I mean, the other day at the kitchen with Eileen, she was angry, but she wasn't violent. Something is not right. Something is not right.
She's playing our game. So using her temperament will not work.
Then we switch to one that will. If there's one thing that Eileen values, is self-respect.
So?
I'll figure it out. Leave that to me.
Thank you very much for the meal.
You're welcome.
I gotta rush off. Got a client to see.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a good day, brother.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You almost finished the food. I see.
You see results, right?
What do you want to hear?
Come on, girl. You know what I'm talking about.
I know.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Now he's having breakfast. Before you know it, things will just come back to normal. Happy for you, girl.
Thank you.
And I have good news for you too.
What's up?
I have a lunch date.
Emmanuel. Right?
Why do you always think it's Emmanuel? Someone else, actually. Come on, girl. Okay, he's fine. But at least he accepts me the way I am. So.
Yes! What is it?
expect you to believe me. Look, I do not like explaining or defending myself. That's why I hate to put myself in situations like this. I will never cheat on you. I didn't expect you to believe me, but last night I remember I was in the kitchen. I went to take juice and Mavis called me out to tell me she was stepping out, and that was the last thing I remember. The next thing I know, I'm on the bed with a strange man on my matrimonial bed.
Good morning. Hey. Hey. Good morning. I made you breakfast. So, breakfast in bed. What's wrong with you?
You should have killed me in my sleep. Do you have to prepare a painful death for me?
Come on, it's breakfast, not death. Here, I made you a favorite. Jollof rice, bit of salad and sliced tomatoes and cucumber. Go on, eat up. Here. There you go. And
Your brother has gone mad.
What happened?
Do you know, he made love to me last night and he served me breakfast in bed this morning.
Okay. Wasn't that what you wanted?
Shut up, Joe.
Yeah, who's there? Hello.
I believe she needs no introduction. But I'll introduce her anyway. This is Sophie here.
Hi. Hello.
And we'll be getting married tomorrow. I just thought you should know. Having said that, I wanted you to come here and feel the presence of your new home. I will have your things moved in tomorrow, and then you'll be the new lady of the house. Come, feel your new home.
Oh
Admire your
my
house.
goodness. I've been waiting to change this decor. Looks tacky. Needs some bushy touch, you know? Come on, baby.
Yes. So, what do you want to change? What are the main touches you want to make?
Yeah.
Don't waste your tears. They're too expensive.
You're confusing me.
I am not getting married or divorcing you. And I'm sorry for all the pain I put you through, but I need you to know that we will work this out.
So what then is happening?
I will tell you if you promise to keep short and allow me to handle this.
I promise.
know.
Hey, calm down!
Whoa, there you two are. Nice of you to come and check up on us.
What's going on? You're supposed to be at the wedding.
If I recall, I'm already married and I wish to remain that way.
Meaning what? You want to stay with this woman? After catching her with another man on your matrimonial bed?
Exactly. I wonder, how do you know that? Because I never informed you. Do I really need to inform you of your elaborate plan that you cooked up?
What are you talking about?
Felix. My enemy, clothed in friendship costume. Little wonder why you actually wanted me to divorce my wife. Nothing is hidden forever.
What do you know?
Everything.
Just like that.
Just like that?
The marriage and relationship is over.
Yeah, you know? And I can imagine how he feels right now. You know, walking into a beautiful, adorable woman in the arms of another man in bed.
She's not really beautiful anyway, but okay.
You! Oh my God, this is wonderful. So, we need more wine.
Spending the night.
Okay. Now you know this merriment will be complete without some emotions. You know what? We need more wine, you know.
I know.
But first, oh my God. I knew you were back,
So you see, you couldn't keep your own secret a secret for long, and God helped me see through you. I did come by your place yesterday to tell you I want to get married to you on the next day as well. But thank God I didn't. I am happy being married to my wife. But I have one question though. Why? Why, Felix? Why would you plan such an elaborate plan and involve Sophie in my life? What did I ever do to you?
Elaborate scheme. Is that what you call it? Well, it's more than that. And you know what? I will continue to seek revenge until I get my pound of flesh. Do you know why? Because killing you is so little a price to pay for what you did to me.
Could you get to the point already? What exactly did I do to you? What do you have against me?
Listen, Badmos. Do you remember? The girl you sent to jail for murder after being raped 3 years ago. Do you remember?
Hey, excuse me. Babe, we've been watching you now. Come on, give us a night.
What?
Wait. Should have told us you wanted money. I can pay better than this idiot standing here.
Are you
Hey, calm down. It's the worry.
Your mothers must be greater whores to have given birth to children like you.
My mom.
Yes. Otherwise, you are children of product of rough sex, not love making. Assholes. Let's go.
Let me punch his face.
Hold your horses.
What?
Wait, remember you want this one? My favorite drink.
Not now.
You did!
Really? Right now?
Yes! Hurry! I'll be waiting.
Don't move an inch. I'll be right back.
Felix, did you fly? What are you doing here?
Hello?
Get out house.
Remember when you were running your mouth earlier?
I'll call the police.
Anyways, I know nothing about love making. How about you teach me some love?
Yes.
God, let's go. Leave this girl. We've got what you want from her.
Where are you rushing to? Eh? Calm down now, calm down. I'm not yet done with this girl.
It's too risky. Leave her. Let's go.
I want us to have more fun with this girl before we leave.
More fun?
Yes, now. Have you not enjoyed the thing?
Guys, it's not about enjoying the
Have you
thing.
not
It's very
enjoyed
risky. Let's go.
See, wait. I want to look into her helpless eyes. I want to see the way it stares at me when we rape her for the second time. Do you understand? Eh?
Guy, I don't want to get into trouble because of this girl. Let's go. Let's leave this. Guy, leave that thing. Let's
now
go.
You've come back to your senses.
Let's go.
Calm down. Wait here.
Where's she there now?
Wait.
Yes, I was a prosecutor, but I was doing my job. I mean, how is it my fault that the defense lawyer didn't prepare her case properly? And mind you, not all rape victims are innocent or all accused rapists are guilty. We work on evidence, not facts. She did not present anything.
You should have stood on the side of the truth.
The truth? What truth? My truth? Your truth? Or her truth because you liked her? We were in there. A murder was committed and a sentence was passed. Now I understand she should have defended herself, but we were in there. And I defended my client as best as I could.
You see why? I was stopping nothing to ruin your life. You don't even feel any sign of remorse.
I did nothing. The judge passed a sentence. You should know that you work in a law firm.
You think that's what I want? I did that because I wanted to get close to you. And you know why? So that I could ruin your life.
Ruin my life? You achieved nothing. Look, if you felt that she was defending herself, then why don't you appeal the case? Have your day in court instead of wallowing in self-pity and blaming everybody but yourself for when you should have been there for her.
Come on, Henry. You should mind what you say to him. Can't you see he's hurt?
I am hurting too. I almost destroyed my marriage. All for what? Why are we even having this conversation? We are done here. Get out of my house!
You know, I am glad that you know how I feel about you. You know how deep my hatred for you is. And I'll stop at nothing to bring you down.
Bring it on.
Hey! Not so fast.
You gave me 2 weeks and today is day 10. I did not only win my husband back, but I kicked you out.
Get out.
You only won a battle. The war is still on.
I hope you're not going back to that same house because that building now belongs to my precious wife to do with whatever she chooses to do with it. I have your things in security. Move them or I will burn them.
Oh!
Sorry.
Babe!
Sorry,
Wow.
darling. Come here.
Oh no, that hurts a bit.
Sorry.
I thought you were joking.
But when it comes to you, I will never joke. Come here. I have got some past things that I've missed out on that we need to.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. So sorry. So sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, fine. Why are you pushing me? Must I sit down? Just sit down.
Why are you running?
We must sit down. Director say I should not sit down.
Oga, there's kitchen in this place. And that kitchen is not gender.
Your drinks will scatter the whole place. How? You went to serve this place? Huh? You went to serve this place?
What happened? What happened? Why did you hit me? Let me know!
Got it!
You have legs, you have hands. Go inside there and cook for yourself. As for me, au revoir.
What? It's okay. It's okay. Just mess it up.
Oh yeah, let's go.